Hi YouTube friends! Today's video will be about 5 tips to sell your home for more money. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. One, create a digital home history. Sellers often forget to keep up on maintenance, and when the thorough inspection happens, there can be a long list of neglected items. Most buyers are not purchasing a new-to-them house with plans to put a bunch of money in for critical systems. Having them all in good working condition will ensure that the buyer will feel comfortable offering the premium price that the seller wants. 2. Boost your curb appeal. Curb appeal is only one part of the final price of the home. Making small changes to the front of the house increases the potential value of a property. In some cases, improving the curb appeal only requires cleaning away dirt and grime from your home's exterior. Boosting curb appeal can be one of the most budget-friendly ways to increase the value of your home. Think about touching up the exterior trim or planting a few extra flowers to draw the buyer's attention to your home and increase your chances of selling faster and for more money. 3. Create a clutter-free oasis. Cleaning up and storing unnecessary items is an easy way to increase buyer interest. Repair what's visibly broken and paint over any missing paint chips or stains. Be sure to deep clean your carpets or have a professional to buffer your wooden floors to add shine and appeal. 4. Upgrade your kitchen or bathroom. You don't have to blow your budget to upgrade your kitchen or bathroom. You can easily change the paint to a neutral, more modern color and add a backsplash to accentuate your cabinets. Also, you should install new hardware to cabinets and drawers to give the home a newly renovated look. 5. Know when to sell. You want to sell when inventory levels are at their lowest and buyer demand is at the highest. This is where hiring a real estate professional will come in handy. An expert will be able to pinpoint the best time to place your home on the market and help you determine the best price range to get your home sold quickly. I hope you enjoyed my video. As always, I love to connect with new people. Please feel free to email me or follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.